What's up, Camp Griddle? On today's episode, we are going to take a look at Blackstone's 7-inch and 15-inch smokeless fire pits, and I'm going to share the 9 best features. So let's get started, and I'll show you why I love them. The first feature that I love about these two fire pits is not really a feature necessarily, but it's the price point. Whether you look at the 7-inch smokeless fire pit, which is meant to be a tabletop fire pit, or at this 15-inch fire pit, which is meant for the backyard or on the ground at the campground, I think Blackstone has hit a really great price point with these when compared to competitors, and the quality is really good. The second feature that I like is the unique design. A lot of smokeless fire pits all kind of look the same, but these have this unique octagonal shape, this 8-sided shape that I think is really cool looking. I think they nailed these in the design department. Really super nice looking smokeless fire pits. The third feature that I love is that on the 7-inch smokeless fire pit, you have legs that elevate it up above the table, so you don't have to worry about scorching your table if you're in your backyard making s'mores. And on the 15-inch fire pit, it actually has a base that lifts it up off the ground, and it's a removable base, and that elevates it above your lawn or above the sand. So again, you're not going to scorch the ground beneath the fire pit. Works really well. Great feature on both, integrated on one, removable on the other. The fourth feature that I love on both of these is that they both have a removable flame cap, so you can pull that off, and it makes it much easier to load it up with your wood, your twigs, whatever fuel you're using to get the fire going. And then when it's in place on top of the fire pit, it also helps direct the flame upwards a little bit, so it blows around a little bit less. The fifth feature that I love is absolutely the most important feature of a smokeless fire pit, and that is that on both of these, once they are heated up nicely, the smokeless aspect works incredibly well. So if you want to have a campfire at night or a backyard fire, but you don't want to smell like smoke at the end, these two absolutely deliver and work great. The sixth feature that I love is that they both give off really great, warm and comfortable heat, and a particular shout out to this 7-inch fire pit. A lot of the smaller fire pits on the market are too small, and they really don't give off enough heat to kind of feel it when you're outside on a cool or crisp night. This 7-inch is a little bit bigger than some of the competitors, and it actually gives off really nice heat if you're all sitting around it with friends, enjoying a nice evening outside. The seventh feature that I love about both of these is that they are s'mores making machines. Particularly, again, another shout out to this 7-inch. Sometimes you want to make s'mores at the campground at night, but you don't want to commit to an entire campfire. If you're a mom or a dad that takes your kids camping and it's been a busy day, you know what I mean. This 7-inch works perfectly for making s'mores. Love it for that. And obviously you can also make s'mores over the 15-inch as well, and there's not going to be smoke all over your marshmallows. The eighth feature that I love, and I think this is pretty unique, is that they actually pull apart so that they're much easier to clean than other fire pits that I have used and tested. So I love that feature. So after using them for a month or so, I'll pull them apart, vacuum them out, and it's like brand new again. The ninth feature that I love for both of these is that they both come with carry bags, which really makes them easy to transport, easy to store, easy to throw in the back of the truck, and it also protects them a little bit if you're keeping them outside over the course of the winter or something like that. Both nice carry bags, great extra bonus feature. All right, Camp Griddle, thank you for joining us today for this week's episode on the 2 Blackstone smokeless fire pits. Let me know in the comments below if you would use one of these at home or at the campground, and which of those 9 features is your favorite feature on the smokeless fire pit. Happy camping, everybody. We'll see you next week here at Camp Griddle for another recipe episode.